Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, QQQ, GRWG, DBGI, NRBO, HUDI, PRTS, APPS, MGNI, QNGY, and WNFT. But before we get into that, a few housekeeping issues to go over. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. So click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. This is how you can get our alerts. You can also sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you can download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I cover in these videos. The ebook, the email service, and the text messaging services are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms, no Telegram chat rooms. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. A lot happening. I didn't do a video last night. I figured most of you were watching the election returns. We are looking for and hoping for it. We're not going to get into politics, but if the GOP can take the Senate, it's sort of looking unlikely. You got a runoff in Georgia. The point is that it wasn't a red wave. It wasn't a resounding win for the Democrats. It's more gridlock. Even if the Democrats win, as is, it's a very narrow majority. It's going to be 50-50 with Kamala Harris casting the deciding vote. MGNI does swing a lot to the Democrats. Markets love gridlock, but we did get the red wave that we were looking. Unfortunately, it wasn't the one we were looking for. The red wave arrived and the markets just sold off in red. I think a lot of this is more coming from what's happening in crypto. You got FTX going under, and it's just risk off. Right now, cash is still the best spot to be in. If you look at the SPY today, we closed at 374. The 52-week low is 348. Over on the QQQ, we are closer to the 52-week lows. We closed at 263. The 52-week low is 254. I mean, a lot of carnage in tech right now. No ifs, ands. Apple is down, Microsoft down, Amazon, Google, Meta was the only bright spot today, and they're just laying off 11,000 workers. So again, you know, that's what the market wants right now. That's what I think the Fed and the White House want. You know, cool the economy, layoffs, which is not good for people. But again, that seems to be where the market is heading. Speaking of gains, we had talked about in my last video, new NASDAQ biotech penny stock for Tuesday. Opened right at 60 cents, ran all the way to 75 cents, just under 75 cents for potential gains of 24%. If you were able to trade in the pre-market, you got in under 60 cents for potential gains of 33%. We have a new NASDAQ penny stock coming tomorrow on Thursday, just before the opening bell. This has spin-off news in play, trading just above $1. Great chart setup, looking like a major breakout. If you want to trade pre-market, click the link in the description. You can sign up for Webull. They allow trading from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. And if you sign up, deposit, say, any amount, you can get up to 12 free stocks. So click the link in the description. It is completely free to sign up, and you just have to make a deposit, and then you get free stocks, and you can trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., and then you can also trade options. But today, If you look at the SPY, if you look at the intraday chart, 15 minutes intraday is what I prefer to look at. It was just a lot of chop. 378 to 388 chop for most of the day till just about 1:30, and then we finally got the breakdown at 1:15, 1:30, and then we closed at the low of the day. So again, it's a tough market right now. A lot of chop, not a lot to get excited on. Right now, cash is still your best position. And again, day trading and overnight trading about the, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but again, it's you just want to get in, get out. Like I said, on Tuesday's alert, you could have made up to 33% in potential gains. Those are nice gains right now. You want to be hitting a lot of singles. You don't want to be going for any home runs right now. But there's a couple of names on my radar right now. What's working right now? Earnings plays are working in small caps. GRWG had earnings after the bell yesterday, and we got the nice follow through today. Bright spot here is, again, earnings plays are working. So again, if the company puts out a strong earnings report, it's ignoring the overall market news, and you're getting a nice bounce. But again, not home runs. Yesterday it was up 35%. More follow through today, up 14%. You take what you can in these markets. And a couple of names I'm watching. First up is DBGI. This is a recent reverse split. They did a 1-for-100 reverse stock split. There are just 500,000 shares in the float, but today 2.6 million shares traded. This is naked shorting, guys. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. There's only, with only 500,000 shares in the float, they are definitely shorting this, keeping a lid on this. This one should have ran already, but it hasn't. And again, it's just the overall market tape. So again, DBGI will bounce, will run. When? I don't know. I think this is one. Again, keep it on your watch list. I'm not saying to go out and buy it tomorrow. I'm not a financial advisor, but these plays are plays that you want to have on your watch list. If you see green, if you start seeing them running, you can play them because you're going to get the shorts that are naked shorting. They're going to have to cover. So keep DBGI on your radar screen. NRBO had a nice day today, up 29%. This is because the offering closed. What I'm watching for tomorrow is HUDI. They announced after the bell that their offering had closed, which removes that overhang, and I think we're going to see a bounce in HUDI tomorrow. Couple of strong earnings reports came out after the bell in PRTS, better than expected. You look over here, 12% of the float is short. Over 6 million shares are short, which is a $24 million short position. Expecting some covering tomorrow. APPS, another one, nice earnings report. 5.76 million shares are short, which is over, almost a $60 million position against the short. Forward earnings of just 6. This one certainly looks attractive, and APPS, I think, can get a nice run tomorrow. MGNI is another one. Nice earnings after the bell. If you look here, this is another one, 9.74 million shares short. Analysts have a target price of $14.45. And again, this is another one that's trading at just 6.7 times earnings. So MGNI is another one put on your radar screen. Lastly, guys, 2 OTC plays. QNGY down 66%. This one is a recent big board, got delisted from the NYSE. And if for those of you that have traded OTCs a long time know, OTC loves delisting plays. You get the dump, people that are, institutions that can no longer hold OTC. They have to liquidate. We got that liquidation today, so keep QNGY on your radar for a bounce. Maybe not tomorrow, but I think this either by Friday or next week. So again, watch QNGY for a bounce. Lastly, guys, is WNFT. We got some positive court news for you GS fanboys. This is one of his custodian plays. He's looking for a merger. So again, he got a court victory today. I know you fanboys love George. So again, up 48%, but on light volume. Could see some more follow through over the next couple of days. So WNFT, this was a former runner, certainly one to start paying attention to. But, overall, right now we are in a risk off. There's just a lot of drama in crypto with FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, CZ, and Binance not going through with the acquiring FTX. Why would they want to? It looks like there's going to be they would have to bail them out in the billions. A lot of hanky-panky went on at FTX and Alameda behind the scenes, not looking good. But again, Bitcoin is still $16,000. So again, it is long term. I think that's bullish, that it's holding up relatively well. In the grand scheme of things, this was 3,000 just a few years ago, ran all the way to 69,000. We're at 16,000. So again, looking long term, I'm not adding right now, but I will be looking to shift money away from cash towards crypto over the next coming months as things shake out. So again, certainly opportunities there, and we'll be updating the channel when I see those opportunities, and also updating subscribers. So make sure you click the link in the description. This is the fastest way to get our alerts, our full reports. We send out a full report with what we're looking at, give you a starting primer for your own due diligence. Always do your own due diligence, and then decide if what we're saying is right for you. With that being said, I want to wish everyone good luck on tomorrow's NASDAQ play. Hopefully it's as good as Tuesday's. I want to go 2 for 2 this week. So again, good luck tomorrow. And I want to wish all subscribers good luck, make some money, and have a big day tomorrow. With that being said, thank you everyone for watching, subscribing, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell tomorrow with a new video update. Have a great night, everyone. Bye-bye.